Okay guys, it's time to finish up the Galant. Get the axle on that I just fixed up. These are old boots. My old axle had a good boot. All that's explained in previous videos. These clamps were a pain to get on. But again, that's explained in the other video. And here goes the radiator. The negative AN fittings got put on. The old tab from the old radiator is on. This one, I just have to drill holes on where it's placed in the car. The measurements were a little bit different, so I gotta figure that one out. But other than that, today is, I never know what the day is. Today is February 13th, and we're going to get this ready for streetcar takeover on the 16th in 3 days. If all goes well, this fix goes good. I plan on dynoing it, and I plan on putting the bigger injectors in it. So stay tuned, guys. You guys already know by the time you guys see these videos. It might be in a couple weeks, but from when it actually happened. But I'm going to go ahead and get in... jump towards the back while I got some light out and change out that rear axle. Might record it. I don't know, you guys have seen me do it. This will be my third time, so you guys have seen me do it a few times. But we'll go ahead and get to it. Okay guys, took out the axle. It got dark so I couldn't show you guys that, but another one, there it is. History. So wipe my hands off. That's swapped out. That's good to go. Now it's time to get this radiator in, and fittings are on this side, and all I gotta do is measure where I need to mount the holes. Right here, sorry. I gotta see where that's gotta go. But let me get my light. That's failing me right now. Alright, here we go. So one tab, second one's right there, that's the one I need to measure. So I'm going to put some stuff on top of it, see if it works, and then I'll let you guys know if that worked or not. What's up, Rusky? That's what I'm doing right now. I'm mounting up to see where I got to drill that hole at. Yeah, it started again. It does it every so often. That's super annoying on the Integra. But every so often, it won't fucking start. You're push starting it. Yeah, yeah. That motor sounds like shit and everything. But I'm trying to... Yeah, it should fit. I just gotta figure out where I gotta put my drill through from trying to line it up.
Okay.
I just laid down some nail polish on the mount.
Oh, okay.
To see if that helps. Let's see. Alright, that's where it would go. Let me see if that worked. Damn it. Didn't leave a mark for me. Damn it.
Oh, that's hilarious.
If I had a fucking...
Put a drop on the actual bolt head.
Oh, yeah. And thread it in upside down.
Yeah.
That's right. I think I'm gonna try that right now then.
Alright, cool, man. Well, let me know how it fits.
Okay, and you're gonna go out there Saturday?
To the track, what time's it open?
I think it opens at like 10 or 11, and then races start at noon or 1, something like that.
Oh, okay. And you're gonna, what are the classes?
They have a bunch. They have like street racer, I'm going to do the 12-0 index, and I'll probably do one of the roll racing.
Oh, okay.
So, I don't know, we'll see.
I want to go out there and I guess watch. You know how much it is to watch?
I think it's 10, 15 bucks? 15 probably.
Oh, okay. Yeah, not too bad.
Yeah, no, it's not that bad.
Okay. Yeah, I'll probably try to make it out there.
Hell yeah. That shit works.
You what?
That works if you come out.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll see if we can make any changes out there. I think if this all goes together, I'm going to message Archie Dino the Galant on Friday morning.
Oh, I mean, if they actually schedule you in.
Yeah, hopefully he can. He said he'll help me get in before, so I don't know, we'll see.
Yeah. Alright, man.
Alright, broski. Thanks, man.
Alright, cool. Yep, see ya.
Later. Okay, to figure out where I needed to drill that last hole, I put the bolt in upside down with some nail polish on top. That's where it hit. That's where I got to drill the hole. My buddy, excuse me, my buddy was pretty close on where the mark needs to be. But I'm going to get to drilling that hole. Alright, got the hole big enough to get the bolt through it. Just what I need. Now I gotta get that one that I threaded in there upside down out. And get this all ready. Alright guys, sitting in the car. Temperature seems to be weirdly stuck right there. I did have my heater going, but I just turned it off. Kind of weird. Let's see if it gets any warmer than where it's at. But oddly, it's stuck right there. Huh. Weird. We'll go back around. Alright guys, there you go. Car runs good. It's not, all the air's out. New radiator's in. Probably can't really see it from this side. No leaks. It's ready to go. Streetcar takeover, guys. So I'll be out there. This video will be uploaded well after it, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's time to get this sucker dynoed and bigger injectors and hope she don't blow. But like guys, like the video, subscribe, share the video, and I will see you. The next video might be me at the track. Oh, holy smokes. Next video might be me at the track. After this, we'll see. I got a lot of unboxing videos to do for the Sentra, but there it is, guys. Thanks. Hope you guys enjoyed.